Hello Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Water spots not only look awful, but if left on the surface for long enough untreated, it can actually permanently damage your clear coat. So today we're going to show you how easy it is to quickly remove them and safely restore a beautiful shine. Let's get started. Our first step to restoring a beautiful shine to this Hyundai Kona is to clean the surface, and we'll be using Swift Wipe waterless wash, which is essentially a car wash in a bottle. Now we want to show you guys how quick and easy it is to remove these water spots in less than 5 minutes, so we're going to start the clock right now, and you guys just sit back and enjoy. Our first step to restoring a beautiful shine is to clean the surface. Now this Hyundai Kona is a daily driver, and you can see that there's light dust, dirt, debris, and those water spots, which are taken away from that beautiful black finish. So to begin our steps, we're going to clean it using Swift Wipe, which is a waterless wash, and this helps to safely remove any of those abrasive particles, anything that's lingering on the surface. And this also preps the surface for our water spot remover. And just using a rolling motion and linear motion, we can see that we're pulling off all of the dirt that was stuck onto the paintwork. And then we'll just keep wiping away any of the spent product, any type of grime. And now you can start to see the water spots that were lingering underneath the dirt. And this is what we're going to be tackling today. But removing water spots can actually be very easy, and they can be effectively removed in a matter of no time, which is why we're going to show you just how fast and easy it can be using heavy-duty water spot remover gel. Now we'll grab our heavy-duty water spot remover gel and just start shaking up the bottle. And we'll be using a clean microfiber applicator pad, which helps to spread an even coat of the product, but also is soft enough where it won't scratch the finish as we scrub. We'll just start by applying a couple of lines to the applicator. Now, if you happen to be working on a vehicle that has a lot of contamination, before you start scrubbing the surface, you want to clay bar the vehicle just to remove any kind of impurities that are stuck in the pores of the paint, which could cause potential marring as you scrub using heavy-duty water spot. But since this Kona is fairly well detailed, or routinely detailed, the surface is nice and smooth. It just has those pesky water spots, which really take away from that overall deep gloss. But you can see here just very easily spreads onto the surface, and now we'll start working it into the paintwork and gently scrubbing back and forth in linear motions using that cross-hatching pattern, which ensures an even shine, that we're not missing any areas, not missing any of those water spots, and it's safe for any surface that's gloss painted, shiny, or clear. So you can use this on your paintwork, your glass, your wheels, your bumpers, anything that has those tough water spots. And this is a great way to remove it without having to use a machine, because if this is left on there long enough, it can actually start to deteriorate the clear coat, causing clear coat failure where it will require repainting, or if you catch it soon enough, you can polish it away. Usually you'll have to use a compound, but if you can get this within the first few weeks of setting in, you can just gently remove it and restore a beautiful shine. Now that we're done working heavy-duty water spot remover into the paintwork, we need to neutralize the area, and we'll use that same waterless wash just to remove any of the spent product and check our work. Now you can use your favorite quick detail spray or even just clean water, but you want to make sure that you wipe off all of that spent product just so it doesn't dry on the paintwork. And it's also important to ensure that you're not applying this on anything that is textured, such as plastic or your rubber trim, where it could potentially stain it. But using that same linear motion, we'll just wipe off any of that spent product and reveal that deep lustrous shine. And there you have it. Heavy duty water spot gently removes those embedded water spots without having to use a polisher or getting any kind of aggressive chemicals, and it restores that beautiful deep shine. Now from here you could choose to either polish the vehicle or move on to applying your favorite coatings to lock in that shine and also repel any kind of harsh elements. But for this vehicle, we're just going to keep moving around, removing all those water spots. But in the meantime, you guys can check out all of these products you've seen us use today on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. If you like this video or if you have water spots of your own, drop them down in the comments and let us know how you remove them. And we'll see you guys next time right here in the detail garage.